Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the application language on the Hinge dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hinge dating application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in using your phone number or your social account. After logging in, you will end up within the home page, from which you can start liking various different profiles in order to match. Now, if you wish to change the language for your application, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now, within this page, just scroll down until you see the language and region option. Now here just tap on app language and you can now choose from the various different languages that are available for the application. Just tap on whichever language you prefer to use for this application, and now your chosen language will be applied to the application right away. And you can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your preferred language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the application language on your Hinge dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.